Hey guys, I am Bianca and welcome to another episode of Make It Festive with Walmart. Today we will be making tin can Christmas trees. The supplies you'll need for this project are Podge printables, and you can find these on plaidonline.com. We've made it really easy for you. All you have to do is print them. It requires no thinking and you can apply them to your project. You'll also need Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. Today for this project, we'll be using white and ink. You'll also need Mod Podge. You can use the matte formula, a tin can, twine, and paintbrushes. The first step for this project is to paint your tin can in your choice of Waverly chalk inspiration colors. Again, I'll be using white and ink for this project. Once your base coat is dry, use your second color to distress your can. Once your can is dry, you can move on to the next step. The next step for this project is to grab your Mod Podge printables that you can find on plaidonline.com. Today, I will be using the Vintage Christmas pack, but we have tons of other holiday designs to choose from. I'm going to use the snowman for this project, but as you can see, we have a Santa Claus, a Christmas tree, a candy cane, and other seasonal designs. Once you pick out which character or which design you'll use, go ahead and cut it out. Once your Mod Podge printable is cut out, grab your Mod Podge and use it to apply your printable to the front of your tin can. Once your Mod Podge printable has dried, grab some twine and tie it around the top of your tin can. If you need something to hold your tin can in place, you can grab your Waverly Inspirations chalk paint bottle and place it inside of the can. You can use scissors to cut any excess twine. The last step for this project is to add a miniature tree inside of your tin can. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com.